Hi everybody. So I had my first experience at like a Goodwill bin shopping area. Like I've never been to like a Goodwill where there was just like bins of stuff to like rummage through. But I'm gonna kind of go through my whole experience with that. Um, so my first initial reaction was, I feel like a monkey. Um, and everything didn't look like it was washed. It looked like it was freshly dirty, and it smelled like dirty clothes. And I was like, wow, I really feel like a monkey ravaging through a bunch of trash. Well, I mean, essentially, it is, people's stuff that they didn't want, so essentially, I guess it would be trash. But I just felt like a really dirty ghetto monkey. And I really mean that. And like the smell was weird, just like the whole feeling was weird. And I did end up finding a few good things, like my Hello Kitty headphones. I don't know how I found those. They're like these LED Hello Kitty headphones, and they're so cute. I don't know how I found them and not anybody else. But and they work, so that's great. And then I found my child some books, but my first initial reaction was like, to me this feels like ghetto. Like they don't wash anything. Like even the bins are dirty. And I don't know. It's just, is there bugs in it? Is there, I don't know. It just felt weird. Like if I got a top, is there going to be bed bugs in it? Because it didn't look or smell washed at all. And like the bins were dirty. I was like, this is really kind of ghetto. I feel like I'm digging through trash. I mean, essentially, I am. And it's just like, there's a whole bunch of junk, and I was like, I don't know. I've never experienced anything like that. Oh, yeah, I also found some hangers, so that's good. But I mean, I'm just saying, like, my first initial reaction when I went in there was like, this doesn't feel right. Like, it feels weird. Oh, because most stores, at least they'll wash the clothes. They didn't even do that. And I'm like, how do I know I'm not going to get some nasty bug infestation if I get this shirt? It's just, I don't know. It was really weird. But I just kind of wanted to share my first initial experience with that. Yeah, because I never, it was my first time. I was a virgin, but now I'm not. And I don't know if I would want to go back. I mean, I guess I would, but it just feels dirty. And like, my hands, when I was done, had like a dirt film on it. It was gross. I don't know. I was like, this is dirty. At least like spray Febreze on it, because it smelled like dirty clothes. I don't know. I don't know. It was really weird. But yeah, that's all. Bye, guys.